Hi guys and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel. We feature only the craziest and most epic moments caught on driver's dashcam all over the world. This episode is going to be packed with a lot of epicness, so sit back and enjoy. We'll start this episode off with a crazy driver who doesn't know how to yield, and because of that, he almost caused an accident.
He just throws himself. Wow, you see that? I'm just gonna throw myself. Like,
what other choice does that car have? You know what I'm saying? He just threw himself.
In 0.1 mile. Speed limit is 20 miles per hour.
I mean, what? You know what I'm saying? Like, you're failing to yield at that point, you know?
Impatience is the leading cause of an accident on the road. Impatient to wait at the traffic lights, impatient to keep a safe distance from other vehicles, and many more can only lead to more trouble. Stop signs can be a problem for some drivers even though their meaning is clear. Stop means stop.
What are you doing? Guys.
minivan driver crossed the center line, and this impatient move caused another vehicle to swerve into the camera's lane and nearly cause an accident.
Summer drink days are on at McDonald's with Try a medium peach passion fruit smoothie made with real fruit puree.
Overtaking over a double solid yellow line is a serious problem, but this driver doesn't care about it. How reckless can you get?
Oh, I hit him.
What happened?
Both gonna go together.
Oh, he swerved around him, do you see?
Seriously?
One driver was speeding and he thought he could get away with that easily. Unfortunately for him, a cop was there as well and he pulled him over. Sometimes karma can be sweet. With this clip we conclude yet another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.